It's Carla, and I have an unboxing or an unbagging from Beebeecraft. They sent me some free stuff, and I'm very excited. I got to pick out some molds that I wanted, and so now I get to see what they are. And so this is a sponsored unbagging, and I am very excited. Oh, good, good, good. All right, so if you don't know about Beebeecraft, I didn't spell it exactly. I spelled it perfectly. I didn't write it perfectly, but it's Beebeecraft. BB, like two B's stuck together, beebeecraft.com. And they have this program that if you have 100 or more subs, that they will send you free merchandise for your channel to do a couple of videos on. Um, they have everything, not just resin molds. They have beads, they have jewelry findings, they have all kinds of stuff. I was really surprised, actually. And I was also surprised that some of the prices are really low, like on some of the smaller molds. So this is a bunny mold. Look, it looks like a chocolate, but I gotta hold it this way. It's it looks like a little chocolate bunny mold, and I've been wanting a bunny mold for so long. So I'm very excited about getting this and using it um, very soon, very soon. This was on their website, really very inexpensive. I thought a lot of their prices surprised me for the little individual molds were cheaper than, the big T. You know what I mean, right? Hoodoo Timu. Hoodoo Timu. Holy moly. All right, that's huge. I'm going to try to pull this out. What is this? Oh, good. Okay. One thing I think is really interesting too about their site. I'm going to put this down for a second. I need space. I think it's really interesting that they'll sell like one mold, but then they have prices where you can get like 5, 6 more. It's actually pretty cool, especially if you're thinking about selling anything. So far, I have wanted this. Oh my goodness. I have wanted this. And what's really funny about this is, see, this is one of those things where they have sent me 4 of the same mold. 5, 5 of the same mold. So you know what's really cool is I can use this and make, like, not just 2 at a time. I can make a whole entire group of these. I can make 10 at one time and give them away for gifts or use them on the Christmas tree. So these are really cool. I have wanted these so much. I've seen other people using them, and this, especially this one, it's like so cute. It's definitely like the girl. Got her hair all done up and got her little hiney all, like, hey baby. And this is the guy, and he's going, oh no, I should run. Sorry, I might have to cut that out since this is a thing for Beebeecraft. But I have been wanting these. I really have. I really, really have. I've seen so many people do them, and they're so cute. So this will be coming up soon. Oh my gosh, my nails are so bad. I've been working on resin all day today. Oh, I'm so sorry. Anyway, so we got those, and we got the bunny. So I have Easter and Christmas covered here. And oh my goodness. See, it's really an amazing program that they offer because they give you the chance. I'll stop talking, I'll stop unwrapping when I talk. Beebeecraft gives you the chance to go in and look at their website and put in $1 an amount order. Um, I don't know if everybody gets the same amount, but it was a substantial dollar amount that I was allowed to order in exchange for doing the couple of promo videos for them. And even though I'm doing the promo videos, I'm not getting paid. I mean, I've gotten these items to check and see what they're like. So I'm not going to be like, I'm in love unless I am in love. And I have wanted these for so long, and I have wanted a bunny. And these, oh, let me unwrap them over here. It's too crunchy. Oh yeah. Oh cool. Okay. I'm still here. Hold on. I haven't fallen off into the land of squirrels yet. I've got to get these open. Oh my goodness. This is insane. Okay. There are 2 moons here. Look, and they're opposites. Oh my goodness. Oh, how cool. Oh, how cool. How cool. They're opposites, so you could make them and hook them together. And, oh yeah, look at that. You can hook them together. Oh my gosh, but guess what? I had no idea this was going to happen. I got 2 sets. So I literally can make 4 moons. So if I want to make gifts for somebody, or if I want to make 4 different kinds, I got to get this one. This is the same too. Boy, I had no idea. I had no idea that this was 4 moons. Oh my gosh. So you can make 2 opposite moons, or you can put them together and make a 3D moon. Oh, because you could put lights in there too between them. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I gotta stop shimmying them, shimmying them around so you can see what they are. How cool is this? They're the same but opposite. Ah, okay. These will be done soon for Halloween, that is for sure. I will probably do these this week. I'm so excited because I love moons. I mean, I love moons. I got 4. I had no idea I was going to get 2 sets. Yeah. Wow, that's crazy. All right, so I'm going to put that here. And then, this is huge. I didn't know these were going to be so big. Oh my goodness. I have been wanting these so bad. So excited. These are cactus molds. Now, it's not going to show you anything really but this little pink thing. But you know the little succulent molds? I don't know. You probably, I mean, like, these are very good quality. And I'm so excited about this. Because you know I have all those little bowls and candle holders and things that I make. And I have wanted to get these. So with this, I have got 1, 2, 3. This one you can kind of see. This is big. These are nice molds. All of these seem pretty good. These might be a little thin, but they're very flat, so I think that's okay. This has a very good base. Okay, I'm good with this. These are pretty sturdy. These are a lot thicker than these are. But yeah, okay. I'll know more when I actually do it. But see, like here's a big cactus. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm really happy about this. And here's, oh, I think this is one of those barrel cactuses. Yeah. Snorted. Which I think are so cute. So, yeah, I just spent 10 minutes showing you what I got. And I am just, oh my goodness. That looks like a little cactus with little flowers on the side. And this is like they're all succulent cactus. Oh, and this is a cactus, a baba succulent too. I'm super excited about these. Super excited because I have so many cute jars and little planters and okay, you guys. So expect to see these probably in this order. This one will come first, then the, I don't know. We'll see. Oh, I don't even know. Soon. Expect soon to see how I interpret making cactus and a bunny. Probably have a bunny sitting in the cactus bowl looking around. And I'm gonna make Christmas reindeer and these and moons. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I love moons. I love anything to do with the moon. Yay! Oh, thank you, Beebeecraft. I am so excited. I can't wait to get started and do these videos. So anyway, anybody out there, if you think, oh, I have to have 1,000 subs for anybody to pay any attention to me and let me demo their products, you don't. Beebeecraft, and this is generous, what they have given me to demonstrate and do my magic with. This is very generous. So all you need is 100 subs. And, oh yeah, and this is the important part. I will be putting down below the website for Beebeecraft, also putting down a discount code for you to use so that you can get a 10% discount off your order. So anyway, I'm excited. And I have wanted these cactus things. Oh my gosh, because I keep making little planters, but I don't have any little succulents that are alive. And these don't have to be. So yay. And my bunny's gonna have some flower friends. Okay, I'm gonna talk to you soon, okay? I love you guys. Be good to each other. Take care of yourselves. Be kind to yourself and love one another. Okay, I'll see you soon. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Don't forget to look below in the description and find the website and the discount code